Gosh, Hen Wen, I never knew you could create visions and things like that. I thought you were just an ordinary... I had no idea you were so special. Dallben's going to be glad that he put his trust in me. Just you wait and see. Now don't go wandering about. And don't you worry. Keep close to me and no one will do you any harm. Not while I'm around. And I won't let the Horn King get close to you, Hen. I'll protect you.
Taran of Dallben, the greatest warrior in all Prydain, a true hero.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you all. But without the help of my Hen Wen here, Hen Wen? Where are you? Hen Wen?
Oh, no!
Hen? Hen Wen! Is that you, Hen? Look what I've got. Come on out. Here's a lovely
Oh, great prince. Give poor starving Gurgi munchings and crunchings. Nice apple. Good prince. Good apple. Oh boy, what a juicy apple.
Hey, no you don't. I didn't give you that apple. You took it. Ow! Hey! Hold on, you hairy little thief. Come back with my apple. If you don't give it back, you'll be sorry. I mean it. I'm warning you. Give it back. Come on, the apple. Where is it?
Gurgi not know where the apple.
Give it back. I warn you. Come on. Come on, the apple. Let's have it. You horrible, greedy thing. You should be ashamed of yourself.
Oh, poor miserable Gurgi deserves fierce smackings and whackings on his poor tender head. I was left with no munchings and crunching. Forgive poor Gurgi.
Oh, stop that sniveling. I'm not going to hurt you. Now look here. Have you seen my... Yes, yes.
There.
That's her, that's Hen Wen.
Nope. Gurgi not see. Nope.
Oh, never mind. No telling where Hen Wen is by now.
Oh, master. Now Gurgi remembers. Yes. Yeah. Clever, sharp-eyed Gurgi saw the run. Yes. Right through the forest. I saw it. Come. Gurgi will find the lost. Then we'll be friends forever. Munchings and crunchings in here somewhere.
It's Hen Wen. She's in trouble.
Goodbye.